Welcome to the future of adventure and luxury, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome. Volvo has redefined the motorhome experience, combining cutting-edge technology with Scandinavian elegance to create the ultimate home on wheels. From its sleek exterior with aerodynamic curves to its bold LED lighting, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is a true head-turner. Built on Volvo's reliable chassis, it ensures a smooth and safe drive no matter where the road takes you. Up against generations of their competitors, Volvo keeps you moving with sandproof underbelly comfort and far faster turnaround. Step inside and you're greeted by a luxurious living space. The minimalist Scandinavian design is all about comfort and functionality. Plush seating, a full-sized kitchen with premium appliances, and a dining area that converts into a workspace. Everything you need for life on the road. The motorhome smart control system is a game changer. Control lighting, climate, and even security with just a tap on the integrated touchscreen or your smartphone app. Rest easy in the master's suite, complete with a memory foam mattress and panoramic windows. And let's not forget the spa-like bathroom, featuring eco-friendly fixtures and a rainfall shower. Glory! Whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country expedition, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome promises unparalleled comfort, style, and adventure. So, what's your next destination? Delore Volvo.